Hi everyone, good evening. So, paano tayo magbabayad ng Kaiser account natin sa IMG, GCash to IMG RCBC account? So, basically, pupunta tayo dito sa IMG Kiosk 2. Then, from here, click natin to. Tapos, scroll down. Then, piliin natin tong under Kaiser International Health Group. Piliin natin to, regular subpay. Considering na meron na tayong account. Second payment onwards. Then from here dito sa application number / policy number, click natin to, yung search na button. Tapos ilalagay natin yung application or policy number from there. So paste ko siya dito. Tayin lang natin yung result. Ito siya, click natin yon. Then click mo to. Yan. Mag-auto-fill in siya. Tapos click natin yung next. Yan. Fill in na natin yung mga needed data. So, ito yung resibo natin. Later on, gagayahin natin siya. Mga details dito. Okay. Yan, fill in lang to. Then, lalagay yung email address. Since nag-bank transfer tayo from GCash to IMG Bank account, so for this case, i-click natin to. Remittance / bank deposit, bank transfer. Tapos, from here, click natin to, yung may radio button dito. Bank deposit, transfer, remittance. Tapos fill in natin yung mga needed data from here. After nun, click natin tong next button. So, fill in na natin. Tapos, as advised, click natin to. Next step. Then, dito sa drop-down selection, click natin siya ito. So, Philippine Banks. Since RCBC yun, click natin to. HP RCBC, Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation. Then, click natin to. Select button na to. Ayan. So, from here, natong step 1, click here. So, dito na natin i-upload yung resibo. Yung ito. Ayan. So, click natin to. Click here to send us the proof of payment for verification. Then, from here, click natin to. Select file. Tapos, we can fill in yung mga needed data. Like date, time. Select file. Tapos, hanapin mo kung saan mo sinave yung transfer slip mo. So, ito yun for our case. Select mo siya, then open. So, i-fill in natin yung date and time based dito sa receipt natin. So, for this case, transfer date is November 12. Then, for the time, basically, military format siya or 24-hour format. So, since morning naman siya, so as is 11/03/22. Double check lang natin. 22. So, all goods for this one. Copy ko lang to. Then, click na natin tong submit button para mag-proceed na siya further. Yan. So, ito na yung matatanggap natin. Let's wait for a few days. Makatanggap ka sa email na payment approval. Then, from there, wait na lang natin na ma-post yung payment natin sa Kaiser Portal. So if you have questions or further assistance na nire-require nyo, let me know. Message us para mag-guide po namin kayo. Thank you.